The temperature indoor, the bag, actually, I take that back. I think it's 54 degrees, right? Am I reading this right? Is it 87 or is it 54? Let me know in the comments, please. I think I need to learn how to read this thing. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Beertayda. My name is Su'ad and I garden here in Minnesota, Zone 4. And I am planning to sow some spinach seeds in a raised bed that has a hoop house covering. It says that you can begin early spring as soon as the ground can be worked. And I see some humidity in this raised bed, and I'll zoom in quickly and kind of show you what the bed looks like. I have not worked on this bed since last year when I harvested a ton of kale. I actually never even cleaned the bed. I just covered it with a hoop house and a plastic bag, and that was it. Hi! Hi! So we're gonna try to, can you stop? We're gonna work on this bed. You can see that the bag has humidity in it, so I'm guessing that the soil in here is much warmer than the soil in any of these uncovered beds. And yesterday, when it was still snowy, I threw in this temperature thing. The temperature indoor, the bag, actually, I take that back. I think it's 54 degrees, right? Am I reading this right? Is it 87 or is it 54? Let me know in the comments, please. I think I need to learn how to read this thing. To this, and this is what the bed looks like. So what I'm gonna do here is remove the bag, turn the soil, fertilize the soil, and then spread some seeds here. And then we'll see what happens next. I broke a nail. Oh, great.
Why are you wearing Eggman shoes?
Huh?
Why are you wearing Eggman shoes?
Because I want to.
Why?
Because I want to.
Those are Eggman. Those are only for boys.
Are they really?
Yeah. That looks cool. I wish I was gonna do that.
Really?
You know what? Hey, Snowflake!
No. Man, I love the smell of dirt, fresh dirt.
I don't.
I do. It's been like so long. So we'll just see how this goes. You guys?
You think it's about time to take him inside?
Yeah. Am I supposed to be covering this? I don't know. But I think for now I'm gonna go ahead and cover it and kind of see what happens. So, just finished planting the seeds. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this with the plastic again. I don't know if I actually need to keep the plastic. We're not expecting any more snow. So, I don't know. I'm gonna post this video tomorrow. If you think that I should not be covering this with a plastic bag, let me know in the comments. If not, I'll continue to check on the raised bed almost every day to kind of see if there's gonna be an issue. I don't know if it's gonna overheat or anything. So the temperature inside when I started, it was about 54 degrees. Right now outside is about 41 degrees, so it's a little bit warmer. So for now, seeds are planted. I'll keep you posted. Check out my Instagram, my Facebook page, and my TikTok, all called Beertayda. And thanks for watching the video today. Make sure you subscribe, give me a like, and I'll see you guys next time.